Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna unbox and show you guys iPhone 11. But first, let's take a look at the iPhone 12 series. So here you got the iPhone 12 Pro golden color, the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific blue, same iPhone 12 Pacific blue, and the little guy iPhone 12 mini in black. So yeah, and here is the iPhone SE and the iPhone 11. So here you got few iPads and iPad Pro and two watches, the Apple Watch Series 6 and Apple Watch SE, which are on the display for the store. So coming on to the main event, or the place where my actual unboxing start, is this. The Apple employee himself unboxed the phone. So yeah, this is the iPhone 11 black 128GB version. Looks absolutely cool, right? So talking about the box contents. So guys, people gained weight but iPhone boxes started dieting. So in the box you get to see just a type C to lightning cable, few paperwork, a SIM injector tool and a single Apple sticker. So until the setup process works up, I'll just quickly go through the price and what are the few specifications of this phone. So yeah, I bought this phone for around 61,000 rupees and from the Apple Store offline market. So this is the iPhone 11 128GB version in black. So guys, I'll just quickly show you all the details that what is exactly in the box. So on the top you'll get to see the iPhone. Now after the iPhone, so they set it up the complete iPhone and you can see the face of me and my mom, and that's, I think, cool. And you get to see a type C to lightning cable, which is standardized by Apple, so there's nothing new in this. So the next thing is, designed by Apple in California. So here you get to see user manual, quick start guide, a SIM injector tool, and a single Apple sticker. So now, these were all the box contents which we get in the box of an iPhone. Literally small notes about the iPhone, quick start guide, and all that. So guys, this is the cool thing which I was talking about in the beginning of the video. So today I'm going to show you that how you can set your exact old iPhone onto your new iPhone. So I don't know about this works on Android and iPhone, but I definitely know that this works on iPhone and iPhone. So you have to come on this page where it says quick start and you have to just turn on your old iPhone beside your new iPhone. So now this will show you a cool animation. Just scan this and you'll be good to go. And your iPhone will be set it up clearly. So guys, until this iPhone is setting up, I'll just share a quick detail about this iPhone. So this iPhone has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display. It is 4G capable, and the chipset inside it is the A13 Bionic chip, Face ID and all that. So talking about the outside of the phone, on the bottom you get to see a SIM tray. This phone supports dual SIM. One is a physical SIM and second has to be the eSIM. So yeah, that's all about it. And backside, two cameras, 12 megapixel. One is ultra wide and one is wide. And the back is glossy and the camera bump is matte. And the frame is aluminum alloy. So yeah, you get to see on the left side alert slider, volume rockers, and nothing else on the bottom as well. On the top, completely plain, nothing much. So yeah, on the bottom you get to see the lightning port and the speaker grill. And on the top you get to see another 12 megapixel selfie camera. And I'll just tell you guys that all the three cameras in this phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 24, 30 and 60 fps. So guys, the contrast ratio of this phone is 1400 is to 1 typically. It says on the Apple website so, and this phone is rated at IP6. This phone is also rated as water resistance up to 2 meter deep water for 30 minutes, and the max brightness of this phone is 625 nits. Now overall, I totally liked this phone. Absolutely, the cameras were best according to me, but the only flaw is that you get a 720p panel, and but you will not see much difference if you are coming. So guys, that was all about today's video. If you like this video, make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Up till then, take care guys.